Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about use the publish to the web trick. Use the publish to the web trick. Google Docs has a feature that lets you publish a copy of your Google Docs file as a lightweight web page. If you need to download selected pictures from a document, use Google Docs publish to the web features to your advantage. The trick is to create a web-based copy of the file and download the image from the file web page. One, open the Google Docs file, select file on the toolbar and select publish to the web. To select the publish button. 3, select OK on the pop-up. 4, copy the document's web URL and open the link in a new tab. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.